Some animals can pose significant risks to humans due to their lethal abilities. Here are the 10 most dangerous animals in the world. Number 10. Lions, kills 200 humans per year. Number 9. Hippos, kills 500 humans a year. Number 8. Elephants, kills 600 humans per year. Number 7. Crocodiles, kills 1,000 humans per year. Number 6. Scorpions, kills 3,300 humans per year. Number 5. Assassin bugs, kills 10,000 humans per year. Number 4. Dogs, kills 59,000 per year. Number 3. Snakes, kills 138,000 humans per year. Number 2. Humans, homicides only, kills 400,000 humans per year. Number 1. Mosquitoes, kills 725,000 per year.